Okay, so say yeah, you see here the order. The order data frame, so left data frame or right. So, okay. Left side, your right side. So let's just run it. And you use my ID 1235, ID 1235 value, right? And this is the name your value, and this subject ID. In 10 mils in here. This is simply merge the so finish step one. Merge left right now, right? So rather, so let's take off the. So you so say it's my you do a data frame, right? You say name ID subject. You think मिल्न गएन हैन ID पनि मिल्यो name पनि मिल्यो subject ID पनि मिल्यो है भनेपछि अब यस यति गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दा so here we go, right? And then here, okay. So keep it out because there's nothing common between them. Let's say you तीन टाइममा गर्नुपर्छ कि है तीन टाइममा किनभने ID name subject तर यो तीनवटै कम्बिनेसन मिल्ने त कुनै पनि छैन हैन सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि यो चाहिँ के पनि हो so let's try another one जस्तै यसमा जस्तै मैले if I do on subject ID यसमा say यसमा दुईवटा जस्तै subject ID र let's see subject ID okay, ID र subject ID so ID र subject ID मा भनेपछि हामीले चाहिँ अब यो दुईवटामा so if I do this let's see see we get these two right भनेपछि ID र subject ID दुवै मिल्यो है भनेपछि यसमा कुन छ जस्तै subject sub 5 is sub 6 or sub 5 right? Sub 5 is sub 6 right? Sub 6 you data matter ID last yeah you data so ID 4 sub 6 and 5 sub 5 4 sub 6 and 5 sub 5 you data matter so you data so likewise, if we do, let's say you user question, so right? So this is what happens, right? Okay, so with this one, just the Yoramatri got even simply so ID mamatri got it. See, so subway million answer, so you'll see that. So pay answer that because the same ID को लागि हैन यहाँ एउटा sub ID नेम दुवै मिल्दैन नि ID 1 मा यहाँ Alex र sub 1 छ यहाँ Billy र sub छ भनेपछि यसले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि नेम X हैन एउटालाई X अर्कोलाई Y गरेर हैन सो एउटा यसलाई X यसलाई Y गरेर हैन सो के भयो Alex sub 1 अनि Billy sub है यसरी गर्छ right so this thing we can do on we can do name maker right name ma ta kunai milदैन भनेपछि के पनि आएन है nothing कुनै पनि name कुनैसँग मिल्दैन है so yeah so we can likewise do on subject ID right subject ID see here so waste of course this one very million answers the sub 2 sub and the other case sub 4 sub 2 sub 4 sub 6 or sub 5 third sub 2 so easy so I hope you get the idea बुझ्नु भयो especially particularly did you get the And did this answer that? Answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay, अर्को छ left one र right one छ. अब left one र right on keywords. Okay? So I think yeah, we just finished this. Okay? So left on and right on keywords. Sometimes we want to merge two data frames and column names with different names in the right and left. Data common columns, key columns. Column names are different. So how do we handle that? Right? So let's see. Let's look at this. Okay. So df1 rather, I need df1. So df1. So df1 df5 bio. I'll just write. Okay, it's a case scholar, so I can just use that. So so rather I'll just run out. And this is I'll have the so it's really good. Do that. All right, this is very good. All right, so takes okay. Maybe I can start from let's see. So start from. Okay, so let's see. Right here. DF3, DF1. So I can start. Yes. So let's do this. Nice, messy. We have DF3. You're a DF3. So let me run this. And we see I'm looking for DF1 to DF3. So this is DF1 and DF3. It's like as you can see, which one is the key column? Key column contains. Common column contains.
तो employer name नाम से फर्क सर.
Right? But we see you're an employee. So you, you. Yeah. So those are the common columns. Right? There are three of them. Right? We have this. So it's like it's column names are different. So how do we handle this? Right? So we want to merge on these two columns and key common column. You do your common column. And the merge is going to say let us see our those names are different. The column names are different. Okay? So then how do we handle that? Right? So I'm going to give us b.merge. Okay? And then of course you can do df1 and df2. That's df3. Okay? df1, df3, and left on the right. So left on is equal to. So you say left, is already left. You df1 already has it. df1 left, right? df3 right. Okay? Left on keyboard. So left on is employee, and right on keyboard. Right on keyboard.
Name.
Right. Okay? So, okay. So that should do it. Let's see. Understand? Okay, so employee group, but yeah, your duplication I with him, right? So and then we can get rid of that, right? You're realizing you can drop, right? Drop the meals. Okay, so you can see that, right? You can see, and then we can drop, right? Drop, and your basically you can see we can drop, right? Drop, you can see. When say drop the name, we want to drop name, right? Name, and let's see if it does work. It's million, right? So when we say axis is equal to the column. So let's see if this works. Yeah, right? So when you see your name one column left has, right? So it's much extra name at the name let's say drop. So now we charge style, right? Okay. So it's of course we have one-to-one. This is one. Okay. So you left on right on Kukura Kuzuma. Does it make sense? Right on, left on, right on. Okay, so the next one is left index to right index. Okay. So so I'm looking on the middle diary. I mean just say index set. Right? As you can see here. So DF180. So I'll just copy and paste here and show you. Okay. So we are just DF1 to DF2 sending. So let me quickly show you how they look like. Right? So DF1 equal. This is DF1, and let's print DF2 as well. Right? So DF2 and here we go. Okay. So it's this one. When we see, of course, we have Bob, Jake, Lisa, Sue. Bob, Jake, Lisa, Sue, of course, but they're not in the school. I mean, it's still case failure. There's many to answer, many to answer because engineering, yeah, retired as, right? So not that, sorry. Because the key column is one-to-one, one-to-one. Right? So one-to-one, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically so you employee line index right? Index and this company you employ index, and then we can do merge on the unemployed, right? On the index, right? I mean index man merge, right? So let's see again. See, so I'm looking at something. DF1 dot set index employee. Employee say index right? I'll say case a column. Right? Employee is a column. Is a column. Yeah, but employee is a column. Your column rather we make this index, right? Explicit index. Okay, and you'll have an index right? So that's what we're doing here. DF1 dot set index employee. Right? Employee column index. DF2 same thing. We set index employee like set index, set employee to index and let's see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see here, so we have employee as index, employee as index. Now it has only one column, group columns here, and yes, hired it 3 columns. So now we can easily merge on the index. Right? I mean index merge also. Right? So this could be let's see. This will okay. Yes, ma'am. Keywords from pd.merge. Okay. pd.merge. This will see, of course, df1a or df2a, right? So df1a, df2a. This might be employee is the index, right? So we have df1a, comma, df2a, and a comma, and the left index. Left index is equal to true. True. This theory. Right index is equal to true. Right? right index is equal to true. You got it. So let's see what happens. See, very clean, right? Neat. Employee object system right? And also we group hierarchy with your column money because we merge them together and on what? On the index, which is employee money index, right? Okay. So takes a okay. Now let's let's look at another one. Right? All right, so there is something called join. That defaults to joining on indices. Okay. So about saying join the code is even simpler. Even simpler when you do join. Okay. So what's the vid35 df1 df1a dot join. This is our code, right? df2, right? Okay, so let's try this. So I mean it does the same thing but with much less code. Yes, your left index right is given. This is a join. It joins on the index. It joins on the index, right? So this is much cleaner, right? Much cleaner code. Right? I don't know if this works. bd.join. Sure. Let's try this. df1a comma df. Rather, I think okay, let's try this one. I want to, before I run that, well, df1 it right. So probably you have to change my options. No, change my options. So this is good. How about df2a? Yeah, of course, change my options. It gives us new data. This is good. This one you can test that out. Okay, so now let's try this one. Join when it's authorized. No attribute join. Oh, okay. We did. Okay. So, so join we join. Let's say it just makes that joining whenever you want to join on the index, right? Or merge in the index. Very clean code. Okay. All right. So specifying set arithmetic for joins. Right? Okay. Sometimes there are cases where value appears in one key column and not on the other. Right? So it's my keywords. Right? So let's see. About set arithmetic. Right? Set arithmetic means an inner join, outer join, inner like that. So that's an inner outer. Any this is inner uncha. Join
Left outer, right outer.
Left, right, out. Left join, right join, inner, left, right, and out. Okay. So let's quickly go through that, and then I'll come back to this one. Let's quickly overview. And then we can I can continue with the code. So about okay, so there are four kinds of joints basically, and four kinds of joints for four kinds of joints. Okay, so four kinds. It's inner join. Second change, left join. Likewise, we have right join. Okay. And then finally we have outer join. Okay? Full outer pretty much. Okay. So okay, inner, left, right, and outer. So what does that mean? Right? So quickly overview the inner join when you see my code. Say your left you're a right. Always there's a left and right table. So I go left table or right table. है सो अब इनर जोइन भनेपछि जस्तो जुन जुन कमन कलमहरु छ हैन कमन से करस्पोन्डिङ कलम्स जुन कि अब कीमा त्यही नै भ्यालु पाउँछ हैन सो जुन की कलम हुन्छ जुन कमन कलम छ त्यसमा चाहिँ सेम भ्यालु हैन सो तिनीहरुतिर मात्रै हैन तिनीहरुमा ठ्याक्कै जुन छ त्यो मात्रै आउने है सो त्यसरी त्यो मात्रै आउँछ भने तिनीहरु चाहिँ इनर जोइन हुन्छ actually we'll see through example anyway हैन र I just want to give you a quick overview है अनि त्यस्तै गरी यो चाहिँ इनरमा खाली त्यो कमन कुराहरुलाई मात्रै लिन्छ है लेफ्टमा राइटमा जुन कमन छ हैन सो त्यो कमनहरुलाई मात्रै लिन्छ अरूलाई एक्सक्लुड गरिदिन्छ के हो कमनहरुलाई मात्रै लिन्छ है ओके अनि त्यस्तै गरी अब यदि लेफ्ट जोइनमा के हुन्छ कसैलाई थाहा छ तपाईहरुलाई याद छ लेफ्ट जोइनमा के हुन्छ इनर जोइनमा चाहिँ खाली कमनहरुलाई मात्रै लिन्छ अरु लिँदैन है ठ्याक्कै जुन कमन छ त्यति मात्रै लिन्छ है त्यो रोजहरु मात्रै लिन्छ जसमा कि त्यो की कलममा कमन भ्यालुजहरु छ है जुन कमन कलममा ओके सो लाइकवाइज लेफ्टमा के हुन्छ
लेफ्टमा चाहिँ त्यो लेफ्टको अनम्याचलाई पनि इन्क्लुड गर्छ
यस that's right भनेपछि लेफ्टको सबै आउँछ हाम्रो रिजल्टेन्ट टेबल भन्छ नि यो जुन रिजल्ट आउँछ जोइनको हैन आफ्टर जोइन जुन रिजल्ट रातो चाहिँ आफ्टर जोइन भइसके हैन त्यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि लेफ्टको सबै आउँछ लेफ्टमा जति पनि सबै रोजहरु आउँछ लेफ्टको अनि त्यसको करस्पोन्डिङ राइट आइहाल्यो हैन त्यसको करस्पोन्डिङ जुन छ त्यसको करस्पोन्डिङ राइट चाहिँ आउँछ हैन अनि जुन चाहिँ त्यसमा करस्पोन्डिङ छैन लेफ्टमा भएको राइटमा नभएको हैन तिनीहरु चाहिँ अफकोर्स आउँदैन र यहाँनिर जुन खाली हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ नल भ्यालुजहरु बस्छ हैन ओके सो त्यो चाहिँ यो चाहिँ भयो लेफ्ट जोइन है यो चाहिँ के भयो लेफ्ट जोइन जसमा कि सबै लेफ्टको सबै रोजहरु आउँछ अनि जुन लेफ्टमा छ जुन राइट टेबलमा जुन लेफ्टमा भएको चाहिँ त्यो मात्रै पिक भयो हैन अनि यता जुन अनि बाँकी रहेको जुन राइटतिर नभएको हैन राइटतिर नभएको जुन त्यसको काउन्टर पार्ट हुँदैन नि त्यहाँ चाहिँ के आउँछ नल आउँछ है ओके सो यो चाहिँ लेफ्ट टेबल यो लेफ्ट जोइन अब राइट जोइनमा पनि त्यस्तै हो राइट जोइनमा अब राइट जोइनमा अलिकति ठिक हो यसको ठिक उल्टो है राइट जोइनमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि राइटको सबै रोज आउँछ हैन राइटको सबै रोजहरु आउँछ र लेफ्टमा चाहिँ के आउँछ राइटसँग म्याच है राइटसँग म्याच हुने मात्रै आउँछ हैन ओके अनि त्यसपछि बाँकी राइटको जुन बाँकी रहेको जुन जसको के लेफ्टमा म्याच छैन त्यहाँ चाहिँ नल भ्यालुज आउँछ है नल आउँछ है ओके सो अनि त्यसै गरी अब आउटर जोइनमा के हुन्छ आउटरमा के हुन्छ
त्यसमा चाहिँ लेफ्ट र राइटको सबै अनम्याच्ड आउँछ दुवैको
सो यसमा लेफ्टको पनि सबै म्याच त आउने नै भयो हैन लेफ्ट राइटको
अनम्याच्ड दुवैको आउँछ
है सो लेफ्टको अनम्याच पनि आउँछ राइटको अनम्याच पनि आउँछ र त्यसको जुन अदर साइडमा चाहिँ अब त्यसको मा चाहिँ नल है नल सो बेसिकली अब यो जसले पहिला गर्नुभएको थियो उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ यो मैले जुन एक्सप्लेनेसन दिएँ उहाँहरूले बुझ्नु भयो है सो जसले गर्नुभएको छैन उहाँले चाहिँ प्रपरली नबुझ्नु भएको छ मैले एकदमै हैन मैले त्यति डिटेलमा दिएन सो अफ कोर्स तपाईको एकदमै एक्जाम्पल हेरेपछि मात्रै अनि त्यस इट अल बिगिन्स टु मेक सेन्स के हैन अहिले 1 घण्टा एक्सप्लेन गरे पनि एक्जाम्पल नदेख्दासम्म तपाईहरुलाई त्यो आइडिया आउँदैन है सो लेट्स डु इट थ्रु एक्जाम्पल एन्ड देन मैले यहाँ जे भने नि एन्ड देन that will begin to make sense. So let's quickly jump into example. So we have these, for example, we have these two data frames, DF6 or DF7. So, right? So let's go back here. Let's go here. Okay. So let's say, so run it. Okay. So what we say about Peter, Paul, Mary. Name take is Peter, Paul, Mary, and Mary Joseph, sir. Fish bench spread and a drink wine or beers. Right? But isma, mainly simply about isma kibo. Isma common column. Of course, common column is name. Happening names, sir. यहाँ पनि name छ हैन र के भयो भन्दाखेरि अब यसमा let me actually draw it right and then we'll analyze from there हैन त्यसबाट पनि हामीले analyze गरौँ है so let me take a snap yes. This is good. Okay. Over here. So अब यहाँ left table हेर्नुस् न right table so left table right hey left table is left right left hey left right table छ अब left table मा name छ है and this is the food छ है and this यतातिर के छ name this is drink right drinks right so rather so I don't think I need to put this food in okay? So rather let me erase this right so I don't need that right okay for now right so my khali name matra lekhchu hai ta so okay so let's see about name it's different than name cha yataतिर ke cha Peter Paul Mary right Peter Paul Mary okay rather I need to use अलिकति पढ्न गाह्रो हुने रहेछ so how about this one right so I'll use different right on this side so यसमा चाहिँ के छ Mary छ and त्यसपछि Joseph right Joseph right so यस्तो छ so भनेपछि यसमा common कुन छ common name matching common भन्दा पनि matching कुन छ एउटा मात्रै छ है which is Mary है यति मात्रै छ है यो मात्रै छ है matching चाहिँ के छ एउटा मात्रै छ नि त है Mary which is हैन सो भनेपछि हामीले अब जस्तै inner join गर्यो भने के आउँछ भन्दाखेरि मैले अघि भने नि हैन inner join मा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि inner join मा यो दुईटैमा हुने matching हुने जुन छ त्यो मात्रै लिन्छ अरु लिँदैन भने हैन isn't that what I said है भनेपछि मैले यो दुईटा inner join गर्यो भने के आउँछ भन्दाखेरि खाली Mary मात्रै आयो भनेपछि के आउने भयो Mary bread अनि wine Mary bread wine isn't that right okay so let's try it out either okay so let's do an inner join inner join so by the way हामीले merge गर्दाखेरि I think that's the default is the inner join right so so as you can see so pd.merge right and when you do df6 and df7 right so it will do by default it will do inner join inner join so that's why again I'm pretty good as to Mary bread wine because that is the only matching record or matching row or the sign of the matching right but if it's you say this is inner join right okay inner join को कुरा बुझ्नु भयो हैन inner join भनेपछि खाली matching rows हरु मात्र आउँछ अरु सबै एक्सक्लुड हुन्छ है किनभने यसमा अरु त matching छैन नि जरु हैन जस्तै Peter Paul हैन Joseph right they were all discarded right okay the inner join बुझ्नु भयो बुझ्नु भएन बुझ्नु भयो बुझिएन
बुझियो सर
okay so this is inner join अब त्यस्तै गरी अब same thing if we do outer join outer join गर्दा के हुन्छ let's try hey let's say not outer left join left join गर्दाखेरि मैले के भने याद छ तपाईहरुलाई याद छ नि so left join गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ रे भन्दाखेरि left को सबै रोजहरु आउँछ हैन सबै रोजहरु आउँछ र त्यसको corresponding right मा भएको आउँछ हैन अनि जहाँ जुन right मा त्यसको म्याचिङ छैन त्यहाँ चाहिँ के आउँछ null आउँछ isn't that right भनेपछि ल तपाईहरु गेस गर्नुस् त अथवा ट्राई गर्नुस् त सो हियर इसको लेफ्ट जोइनमा के आउँछ यसको रिजल्ट सेम थिङ है सेम थिङ यो दुईटाको DF6 र DF7 को लेफ्ट जोइन है लेफ्ट जोइनले के दिन्छ भन्दा के दिन्छ नेम
Peter fish.
ओके भेरी गुड पहिला यो नै लेखौँ हैन पिटर हैन पिटर के पल यो तीनटै आउने भयो है पिटर पल एन्ड मेरी यो तीनटै आउने भयो है ओके किनभने लेफ्टको सबै आउँछ भने नि मैले हैन अब यसको करस्पोन्डिङ के छ पिटरको अब अफ कोर्स वी निड फुड फुड त आउने भयो अनि त्यसपछि ड्रिङ्क आउने भयो हैन ओके अनि त्यसपछि फुड पिटरको फुड के आउँछ फिश हैन फिश है अनि उसको करस्पोन्डिङ के छ पिटरको करस्पोन्डिङ छैन भनेपछि यहाँ चाहिँ नट अ नम्बर है अथवा नल हैन सो नट अ नम्बर आउँछ होला है इजन्ट द्याट राइट पलको के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि पलको बिन्स है उसको ड्रिङ्क त छैन भनेपछि के आउँछ त्यहाँ पनि नट अ नम्बर है अनि त्यसपछि म्यारीको चाहिँ अब जस हाम्रो युजुअल अघि आएको थियो नि होइन ब्रेड होइन अनि त्यसपछि वाइन है सो इजन्ट द्याट राइट है यस्तो हुनुपर्ने हो है बेस्ड अन वाट आई एक्सप्लेन है सो यस्तो हुनुपर्छ लेट्स फाइन्ड आउट है त लेट्स फाइन्ड आउट सो अब यसैमा मैले के गर्छु भन्दाखेरि इफ आई डु रादर यहाँ है त सो मैले के गर्छु भन्दाखेरि pd डट merge है अनि त्यसपछि अगेन DF6 र DF7 है अनि त्यसपछि how is equal to how is equal to left right? Let's try this right okay so okay did you get that Peter fish nan okay Paul beans nan good Mary bread wine okay? Mary bread wine so perfect right okay ल यो बुझ्नु भयो तपाईले लेफ्ट जोइन बुझ्नु भयो मैले अघिको एक्सप्लेनेसन र यो कुरा मिल्यो कि मिलेन है ओके सो ठीक छ हैन बुझिराख्नु भएको छ तपाईले लेफ्ट जोइन बुझ्नु भयो
Yes, sir.
okay त्यसै गरी ल अब द राइट जोइन very quickly we have 3 minutes so can we quickly do right join मा के हुन्छ ल भन्नुस् राइट जोइन मा के हुन्छ
Right को चाहिँ सबैको आउँछ
yes that's right right so भनेपछि हाम्रो नेम हैन नेम हुने भयो अनि त्यसपछि of course we have Mary र Joseph पहिले लेखिहालौँ न हैन Mary र Joseph हुने भयो है okay and त्यसपछि of course we'll have हैन food or drink भयो हैन food and drink है okay so अब food मा Mary को food के छ bread right Mary को food bread छ अनि त्यसपछि what's her drink wine है wine is your drink and Joseph मा के छ food चाहिँ not applicable है nan and त्यसपछि beer right so did I do it right okay let's quickly because we have about 2 minutes before we disconnect okay? I'll just copy and paste this right? I'll just copy and paste and then make this we get a right join hey right okay let's see right so did you get it right Mary Joseph wine okay? Mary Joseph sorry Mary bread wine and then Joseph nan beer okay? Joseph nan beer right? Perfect right perfect okay so you पनि बुझ्नु भयो हैन okay so right पनि के रे so के right join पनि बुझियो है so this one let me disconnect right and then come back and then we'll discuss after right so my disconnect so please come back and see me